All right, guys. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's good to have you guys back. Let's quickly go over our charts. Let's quickly go over our chart. Let's check what's going on. Let's quickly go over our chart. Let's check what's going on, guys. Let's check what's going on. So this is Forest Factory. This is calendar, so you can see what we have today. You can see exactly the CPI news on. You see nothing really going on today. Let's go back to our pair. Sorry guys, let's go to our pair and let's break down some things. Let's break down some things. This is gold 5 minutes. So let's go back to the daily time frame and let's start from there. Let's start from the weekly because today is Monday. So let's see how the previous week ended. Then we can comment from there. So the previous week ended as a bullish candle, a strong bullish candle. And you can see let's clear off everything. Let's clear off everything. So the previous candle and bullish, you can see this is support. Price tries to reset the support, but didn't really do that. And it's looking like he would likely want to continue pushing to the upside, even though you tested this level and you don't know what's going on here. You just have to monitor it and see how it unfolds. But for now, there's nothing going on. Let's go back to our daily time frame. So our daily has broken the previous daily low. Two daily lows have been broken already. And but the problem is that this candle has no top wick. So we need to see what price wants to do and how the candle will likely want to move before we know exactly and how we can manage this trade or how we can place a trade. Yeah, so that's what we need to do. So secondly, let's jump down to the 4 hours. Let's look for 4 hours support, 4 hours resistance. Let's look for anything that's going on there. So this is for current 4 hours. Price has created a level, but we still have 2 hours left. So this candle can actually feel bearish and continue pushing to the downside. And also retesting some levels here. Let's look at it on our left hand side. Let's see if there's levels in the left. Let's see if there's levels on the left. Okay, that's fine. So if I zoom in and go to the 1 hour time frame, which is currently the candle moving now, you can see that price came back up to retest this level, and you can see a lot of rejection going on there. So I feel like this is price doing a break and retest to continue pushing downwards. But the momentum I'm seeing is bullish. Uh, daily has broken below a lot of structure, but like I said, it has no top pick. So we have to just wait and see how price wants to form. We need cleaner candles, and you can see on the 30 minutes too, this particular candle has no bottom wick. So you just have to wait and see how the direction goes. So if I want to place a trade from this particular one, I need this 15 minutes candle or 30 minutes candle to close bearish at least below this level here, because this level that was broken above, and this was going on. I need this to close below this level, probably below the 15 minutes candle too. Then we can look for retracements and you can look for price selling. We have our 5 more minutes, so let's wait till 5 more minutes and we can know what we're going to do from there. For now, wait and see. Guys, we're waiting. Hello, guys. So waiting, guys. We're here. So we saw the count is ending in a few minutes. You can see how it's already ending. So it's not ending the way I want it to end. So we just have to wait. Just have to wait till we get what I want. So waiting, guys. Nothing's actually going on. We're just waiting. We're just observing, seeing how the press goes, and so let's see. Let's just see. So in the next 15 minutes, we determine if we're going to go for short or continue for long. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to adjust our levels to this point because we have a resistance level right here now. Waiting on the 30 minutes close. So we have about 12 more minutes for this counting to close. Then we can figure out something for there. But for now, we ain't doing nothing but waiting So that's the game. That's the game for us right now. We're just waiting. We have some rough market structure on the left. Let's see. Rough market structure on the left, but let's see. 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes, and we figure out the next thing to do. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. Let's see how it ends. So let me tell you what exactly I'm looking for on gold right now. I think sales will actually be a better play on gold. Not gonna lie. Sales will be nice right now, actually. But we need that 30 minutes closing we want it to close. Alright guys, just give me a second. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back, and gold is currently pushing up. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Currently pushing up, but it's not like pushing up. Just in between nothing serious. So let's wait and see. You have to see how you have to wait and see how this candle close. That's where my concern is. The candle close. See you guys. Let's see how it close. 5 more minutes, guys. What's the range between here and here? First of all, this is 9 CP. All right. 5 more minutes, guys. Four more minutes. 30 minutes is closing week. So if the 30 minutes candle close week, I think I will probably go for an impulsive buy. But today is Monday though, but I might go for an impulsive buy if this candle close week. Like impulsive buy like above the structure. But if it doesn't and it close below the structure I needed it to close, then we'll look for so so we're waiting, guys, we're waiting. So like I said, this is what I want price to do. Let me quickly go to 30 minutes. So if the candle close week bearish, like the way it's closing like this, I'll just look for a possible buy as price break above this level. So my buys will be like buy stop above here. So for price to continue pushing up. My stop loss will be like below the structure for price to keep pushing up. So this is what I will look for. Since the candle is closing like this, it's looking like I want to close like this. So I'll wait for it. I'll just wait for it. But also something else can also happen. Something else can also happen if the candle on the 15 minutes um on the 15 minutes candle 15 minutes candle too can also decide to close bullish above this level like this. So if it does that, I'm also fine with it. I can look for the next candle to retest, then we can buy, target this area. So this would be a decent buy, but if we don't get this, we can go with positive for just the break of the highs and price to continue pushing upward. So that's exactly what I'm looking for now on gold. So we just have to wait. We have about 2 minutes. So let's see which of them we get. Let's see which of the structure we get from this price, and let's see how. Sorry guys, I'm just a bit tired. Let's see exactly how we execute it and how it comes out. So price is not closing the way I want it to close. Not doing that. It's not doing that, guys. It's not doing that. So we ain't getting no buys. We ain't getting no buys soon. We just wait. The price has closed. We didn't get the closure we need. So waiting, guys. We're waiting. We're still waiting for this structure. Still waiting for to see how it's going to unfold. But for now, we're not doing anything. We're not doing anything. Not doing anything. So we've been into the stream for 31 minutes, and that's about it. Then for sales, what's gonna happen for sales is I want price to for sales. I want price to close bearish below the structure, but let's not push too down. Just close below the structure the way it's respecting, maybe around here. Then the next candle to week up a bit. Then flip bearish. Then I can sell it because it's very clean for sales, but for buys it's not the best. But for sales is where I want it to go. But it has 11 minutes for this candle to close, so hopefully it doesn't run down. It takes its time. That what wants it to take its time right now. All right. Waiting, guys. Let's see if price just want to keep dancing around this area. This next 15 minutes or next 10 minutes, if you don't get anything, then that will be it. You just call it to stream and we go about it. So you just need price to close. Give us exactly what we want, and we can proceed from there. So wait, guys. Nine more minutes, guys. 9 more minutes. All right, guys, we have 4 minutes left. The candle is just moving in between. It's just moving in between, so it's not really doing anything. So we're waiting, Sha. We're just waiting. We're waiting. That's the practically only thing we can do. We're waiting. I don't know if I'll be yet for the hour count to close, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I'll be sitting here for like 40 minutes and I'm not getting anything I like. So we're just waiting for candles to break in below or above that level. That's practically the only thing we're waiting for right now. Either the candle is closing above or below. But you can see there's like a massive rejection between those two areas. Price is failing to break above, strength is failing to also break below. It's just ranging at this point. So let's see if we can get if this actual let's see if we can get the closure below or above. That's the only thing we wait. That's the only thing we're waiting gonna wait for. So let's see. If this particular candle now can just close below the structure, it's gonna be good. So if it doesn't, we're just gonna wait and that wait or I call the stream off and I'll probably send it out when we see some structures or something. But for now, there's nothing. You can see the candle has even flipped bullish now. After staying bearish for a while, it just flipped bullish. So where does whose heart lies? So that's the question now. Where does this heart lies at this point? Is it to the upside? Is it to the downside? Or is it just want to move sideways and panic some people in and panic some people out? So we are probably gonna wait for closures. That's the thing. No impulsive, nothing impulsive, no impulsive buy, no impulsive sell. If you eventually brace up and continue moving up. Alright. But no impulsive buy, no impulsive sell. We're just waiting for closures. I think that's the best thing you can do. You can see these two candles is about to close the same way. So we're just waiting for closures. Alright guys, we getting the closure. 1 more minute. Price is actually pushing downward, so we might actually get an opportunity on this. So let's see if that's gonna be possible today. So I think our sales are gonna be below this low, the candle low. So this is where we're going to put our sales. Stop loss going to be above here for 71p. So it's going to be something like this. But you need that closure below first. Actually, the price will close below first. If you don't get the closure below, there's no point of it at all. You need that closure below first. And after it closes, we need price to weak up. After it weaks up, you don't need price coming down. You just need price to weak up first. Then we can look for opportunities as it comes. So there you go. We have a closure now. So let's see if we can get a little bit of profit we should be writing the trade. Let's just enter the trade. Let's just enter the trade. So let's see how that goes. So trade has been sent out. We're not triggered yet. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Coming to the stream, I've been screaming that I want price to close below the structure. I want price to close below the structure. So I've gotten it. I waited for exactly what I want price to do. Now we've gotten the closure. Let me see if price will actually do what I need it to do now, which is break the low and push. So let's see. So let's see. That's what we do now. We just have to just wait and see how price unfolds right now. We're about to get triggered. We'll get triggered soon. Ooh, that was some mad jump in the market. We're in profit now, guys. In profit. In profit, guys. In profit. We've got 30 people in profit. So move stop to break even. Pretty trade, guys. Pretty trade. And markets skip do me. Yeah. Like there was a slippage in straight for me. 40 pip, guys. 40 pip. Move your stop loss to break even. Move stop loss to break, guys. So move stop loss to break, guys. 40 pip. We got 50 pip now, guys. Close some position, 42 pip. Let's see if we can. Price has filled up this. Let's move, guys. Let's move, guys. Let's move, guys. So I'm moving. I'm closing some position here. Closing some position here. Price got me 50 pip. I'm closing some position here. There's still room. I feel like price might be creating a bottom wick for this one. Okay, good. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Like I said, the direction is bearish. So let's see if price can still move downwards. It's over 200 pips. So let's see. Let's see. So you can close some position. Close some position. This was a beautiful trade on the Monday morning. Close some position at 50 pip. Okay, we have a hold up here. This 5 minute level here. The 5 minute level that price is struggling with. So I think I'm fine with this. I think I'll close my position here. Yeah, I think I'm fine with this. I think this is where I'll close. This is where I look to close. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. We're moving, we're moving, we're moving. We're moving, guys. 60 people now on gold. And that's it. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with 60 people. Almost. I'm fine with 60 people. This is a Monday morning, man. We can't be doing too much. Although this trade move, we're going to move 100 people already. I can see that this trade is going to move 100 people. I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. Gold was beautiful, cut out properly, and it's moving. So guys, that'll be all for today's stream. You can see the point I closed at 60, price rejected and started pushing upward, and we just got off this trade at the right time. So I closed was closed. This is very nice trade on a Monday. Very nice trade. Well planned, well thought of, well calculated. Waited for it to do exactly what we wanted, and we executed it, and we got the reward for it. So that's it. That is it for now. That's it for us. So we'll see you guys same time tomorrow, same time. Come stream with us, and let's make some money while streaming. So that's basically why. I hope you guys made some money. If you entered this particular trade and you made some money off it, just let me know in the comment section. And peace and love, and see you guys when we see.